We make so many things so much harder than they need to be without realizing it. And one of the easiest ways to make something effortless is simply to make it fun. All of us have important tasks or activities we don't do consistently because they're boring or tedious. We know they matter, but we actively dread doing them, so we procrastinate, put them off, tell ourselves we'll get to them later, and often never get to them at all. But why should we simply endure essential activities when we can enjoy them instead? By pairing essential activities with enjoyable ones, we can make tackling even the most dreaded tasks a little more effortless. Struggling to motivate yourself to exercise, or watch your favorite television show, or listen to your favorite playlist while on the treadmill? Can't bring yourself to sit down and review your finances? Make it a monthly ritual, complete with your favorite chocolate. This strategy may seem glaringly simple, but I encourage you to try it and watch how much easier it becomes to stop procrastinating and get the important things done.